Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox asset not loading. So first of all, let me tell you something honestly, that there is no direct way to fix this problem, but I have researched a lot on Google browser by searching on this topic. Actually, there is no correct solution of that. The problem is actually due to an unknown reason. Still, there are some remedies, or you can just try these of the options I will show you that may work or may not be work, but these are the perfect ways I will show you, and other than this there is no other way. So I have found it an important article for you that I will share you. Okay, I hope you will get some of the helpful things from these articles. So I will share you the steps. So the first thing is you have to check your internet connection. Okay, so from your device, make sure your Wi-Fi connection or internet connection is perfect. So it may due to your internet connection. And the second one is you have to check for your updates. So you have to check if your Roblox application or Roblox website is in the latest version, as well as your Windows and everything. You should check that it's in its latest update. And the third thing is you have to clear the cache. You can also clear the cache. Sometimes it may jam the road of the Roblox load, so you can easily clear your cache to check. And the last thing you can do, you can reset the Roblox app. Still, if you don't find it helpful, you can check if it's Roblox or Roblox Plus. So there may be some of the issue for the Roblox Plus. And the last thing you can do, adjust firewall or antivirus settings. Due to antivirus settings, sometimes it may interrupt your loading, so you can also adjust your firewall or antivirus settings. And if these of the option doesn't work, you can just go to the support option and you can ask for some of the support regarding this issue. And other than this, there is no other ways. Hopefully this information helped you, and if this helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.